Okay, now we have our program that is doing a small part that is post option. Okay, it is handling the post option. Now let's go and create a program to get the login information. Okay, for example, the password for this website. And here I'm going to create a new file. It is going to be login.py. So here I'm going to use that, and also let's create a list of password here. So it's going to be password.list. Hit enter. Now the list is almost here. We have just let's use this little information that we have here, okay, as a password, and let's add some new thing. For example, the other one is going to be admin. We have pass, we have passw, we have password, we have like, we have love. This information, this little, which is 20 line of code, 20 line of password that we are going to use here to test it. Okay, I don't have a big password list here. I'm going to just use that to get just the password for this data for this website. Okay, again, in here we are going to use the request as well. So you see that we have this little information here that I'm going to use. I copy that and use that here and paste it here. Okay, here you see we have the username, which is equal to admin, password is equal to password. Here I'm going to remove that and put an empty string there. And the next thing is to open this password.list and then try that on this website and try to log in. If we log in, we'll find a correct password. So we need to provide a correct message that shows that we are finding, or we found the password. If not, so give me an appropriate message, oh, that you didn't find the password for this website. Okay, so the first thing is we need to open the file. The file is password.list. Okay, and when we open this, I want to read it, okay, as something, as for example, I'm going to name it word list. So when I open this, I need to go inside. So we need to use a for loop for line in word list that we have. Okay, so when I go inside of this, and then I can do one thing to remove extra space and enter from here. That is word is equal to line dot strip. Okay, this will remove the extra thing like the enter that we have at the end of each line. The next thing I can do is the data dictionary. One of its key that is password. Okay, we need to find this, and password, okay, is going to be equal to word. So now we are going to have the target URL and also the data. I mean, we need to use the post. Okay, so again, let's use the response is going to be equal to requests dot post. Okay, here we need to give two things. The first one is the target URL, and the next one is going to be data is equal to data underscore dictionary. So now let's use an if condition here. If we have something here, let me show you. In here, when I try to log in with false information and I hit login, I have something called login failed. Okay, it shows me this text here that I can use it in here. Okay, if this login failed, not in response.content that we could use. If it is not in here, that means we are logged in. So let's print that got the password, and that is the password. Okay, so the word will contain only the thing that it finds. Okay, and then let's exit this. And if not find it, okay, if we are not able to find what we're looking for, then let's print something else. In here, I am going to print that rage end of line. Let's save this, and now you see that we have a password.list here. That is, in here we are opening that and we are reading each line, and then we are removing the extra enter from that each line, and then we are checking that data dictionary which has a password key here and it has an empty value. We are going to assign the word in here, and in here we are checking that if we don't have login failed in response.content, that means we are logged in and the thing that we provided is correct and the word is found it. Let's save it, and here, okay, I am going to use this login. Let's hit enter. Okay, we have something again here on line 11 that is here. That means we need to change this again back to string and save it. Try to re-execute this, and you see got the password, and the password is equal to password. That means we have found the password. What if I remove this password from here, and now I save this and re-execute the program, you will see that reach end of line and we don't have any password or something. Okay, so now you'll learn how to guess a login page. Okay, login page details like password. If you're going to try this on a big website like Facebook or like Gmail or something, for example, you have the email address, trying to find a password, you need to have a big password. You give the URL here and then you provide the username and also the password. Okay, go and check the source code, and then you will be able to test that. You need to have a big password list. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.